ચેપ્ટર 6 એક્સરસાઇઝ 6.3 અને ક્વેશ્ચન 2 આપણે કરીએ છીએ. This figure is given in a question. Triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA, which is given in a question. Here BOC is given 125, CDO is also given 70 degree. I want to find out angle DOC. I want to find out angle DOC. That means DOC. I want to find out this angle. And DCO. Angle DCO. DCO. That means this angle I have to find out. And third one is angle OAB. OAB. Okay. Here very simple. DOB is a straight line. DOB is a straight line. OC, it makes two part. Here the figure is like this, DOB, and here it is C. So it's a symbol of T. It is a symbol of T. So that means this angle and this angle both are linear pair angles. Linear pair angle creates T symbol. Okay, and linear pair angles are supplementary. That means addition of these two angle is 180 degree. Again I repeat, this is a T symbol, so that means these two angles are linear pair angles, and linear pair angles are supplementary. The meaning of supplementary, that means addition of these two angle is 180 degree. So DOC, angle DOC plus COB is equal to 180. Reason is linear pair angle. DOC I want to find out COB, which is 125 degree. 125 degree. So plus will be transferred to right side, it will be minus. So angle DOC is 180 minus 125. So 180 minus 120. 180 minus 120, answer is 60. But again 5 should be subtracted. So 60 minus 5, it will be 55. So this angle is 55. Now I want to find out this angle. So here DOC is a triangle. DOC is a triangle. So sum of three angles of a triangle is 180. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180. So I want to find out OCD. Angle OCD. Or I can say that DCO also. It is DCO. It can be written like this also. So 180 minus this and this. So 180 minus 70 and 55. So 180 minus 70, it is 110. 110 minus 55. So 55 is a half of 110. 55 is a half of 110. So from this subtraction, answer should be 55. Okay. Now this is the third angle which I want to find out in this question. It is a angle OAB. What is given? These two triangles are similar. This is a symbol of similar. Similar means corresponding angles are equal of these two triangles. The meaning of similar is that the corresponding angle of these two triangles are equal. So I want to find out A, and here A is in third position. So the corresponding angle is C. A is in third position. Here third position is of angle C. That means angle C and angle A both are same. So here C angle is 55. That means A angle is also 55. So I will write DCO DCO, that is C, and OAB, that means A. Both are equal. Okay. Question number 15. A vertical pole of length 6 meter cast a shadow 4 meter long on the ground. In question, one vertical pole. This is a pole which is vertical. Vertical means y-axis. It's a y-axis. This is a vertical pole. So it creates right angle with the base. This is a base. That means it is a ground. Okay, and pole is vertical. That means it creates right angle with the ground. Okay, a vertical pole whose length is 6 meter cast a shadow. This is the shadow. Okay, it starts from the base of a pole. The shadow starting from the base of a pole. Okay, and it is 4 meter long. This shadow is 4 meter long. I name it triangle ABC. And at the same time, this is the important word for this question. At the same time, a tower cast a shadow which is 28 meter long. One tower which is also vertical with the ground, and it cast a shadow. This is the shadow of a tower. This one is your tower. I name it triangle PQR. And QR is a shadow of a tower whose length is 28 meter. Find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. That means I want to find out PQ. So these two triangle must be similar triangles. That I have to prove it. Here angle B and angle Q both are same because they are right angle. Okay, and angle C and angle R, they must be also same because these two figure is given at the same time. That means sun, the place of a sun is at the same position. So that means this is a angle of elevation. This is a angle of elevation. It is, you will study in next chapters. That means it's chapter number 8. In chapter number 9, you will study about angle of elevation. So at the same time is given, that means sun place is at the same place. Okay, so this angle of elevation is same. So in triangle ABC, and triangle PQR, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle B is equal to angle Q, which is right angle, and angle C is equal to angle R, angle of elevation. At the same time, it must be same. So when two angles are equal, when two corresponding angles are equal, two triangle will be similar. It's a one of the criterion.